तो अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं प्लानेटेरियम के अंदर में और अभी हम लोग देखने वाले स्पेस का शो।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम लोग प्लानेटेरियम का सेकंड पार्ट का वीडियो देखेंगे जो ये सन दिखा रहे हैं कि सन कितना नज़दीक से दिखता है हमें और उसके बारे में। तो आइए सुनते हैं क्या इसमें बोल रहे हैं और उसके बारे में सुनते हैं।
Cliffs that break the landscape for hundreds of kilometers, and a giant impact basin called the Mare Caloris, or Sea of Heat, where an asteroid crashed billions of years ago. Heat is the operative word on Mercury, for, during the day, surface temperatures soar to levels hot enough to melt tin and lead. Yet, in the long, airless night, they plunge to over 170 degrees below zero.
चलो देखो
मरे हम लोग उड़ रहे हैं।
अरे गड्ढे में गिर तो नहीं जाएंगे।
Beyond Mercury shines dazzling Venus, enshrouded in silvery clouds.
सिल्वर कलर
In
का
Greek and Roman mythology, this was the goddess of love. But while beautiful, planets enveloping clouds are actually made of choking carbon dioxide, laced with droplets of sulfuric acid. The result is a runaway greenhouse effect that traps the sun's heat so well, day and night, equator to poles. Temperatures at the surface bake at over 460 degrees.
460 डिग्री टेम्परेचर रहता था उसका वीनस में।
Soviet Venera spacecraft sent our first true glimpses of Venus's surface from their landing sites, before quickly succumbing to the intense heat and pressure. From a safer distance, the U.S. spacecraft Magellan used powerful radar to pierce Venus's veiled clouds and map the mysterious planet below. It revealed long, rolling plains, strange pancake-shaped structures, and huge volcanic peaks that once spewed rivers of lava to flood vast canyons below. Could enormous volcanoes still belch fire and sulfurous ash today? Recent evidence from the European spacecraft Venus Express suggests that this may well be true. Venus may be our closest planetary neighbor, but it provides dramatic testimony to how different neighbors can be. While Venus was named for the goddess of beauty and love, in reality it comes far closer to the biblical description of hell.
मैडम चुप रहो, सिक्योरिटी अंदर डांटेंगे। देखो ना बच्चा।
Beyond Earth lies Mars. Accompanied by its two tiny potato-shaped moons, Deimos and Phobos, Mars is a world of dune-covered deserts, dark markings, and gleaming polar caps. Dust devils swirl across its rusty plains, and great dust storms periodically rage, obliterating all that lie in their path.
ये देखो तूफान आ गया। ये लो कह रही तूफान।
But the atmosphere of the red planet is usually clear and reveals that Mars, while barely half the size of Earth, nonetheless boasts an amazing array of natural wonders.
Wow.
From high above, we peer down on a quartet of ancient, extinct volcanoes, including Olympus Mons, the largest such feature in the solar system. It towers 20 kilometers above the surrounding plains, and, if brought to Earth, would cover all of France. Equally mind-boggling is the Valles Marineris, or Mariner Valley. Up to 200 kilometers wide and 6 kilometers deep, the Valles Marineris is a vast canyon system that would crack Europe from Portugal to Moscow, or span the United States from New York to California. Today, Mars is colder on average than Antarctica and drier than the Sahara. Yet, the recent discovery of dark streaks on mountain, crater, and canyon slopes points to seasonal flows of saltwater on the surface of Mars.
हमारे चैनल को लाइक करिए,
Furthermore,
सब्सक्राइब करिए
3
और इस
billion years
प्लानिटेरियम
ago,
की वीडियो का
when
कंटिन्यू
its
कल
giant
एक और वीडियो
volcanoes
आएगी, तब तक के लिए
Mars
अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।
likely had a thicker, warm